So I wanted to take a quick minute to draw a connection between what we've been doing here with user-centered design and needs elicitation and a concept known as quality function deployment. So quality function deployment, or QFD, is a structured approach to defining customer needs or requirements and translating them into specific plans to produce products that meet those needs. So it was developed back in the mid-60s by two Japanese professors, Doctors Shigeru Mizuno and Yoshi Ako. Back then, statistical quality control had gotten pretty popular after World War II, and Japan was starting to integrate total quality management philosophies into their production and manufacturing systems. At this time, Professors Mizuno and Ako developed a quality assurance method that would design customer satisfaction into a product before it was manufactured. And I believe some of the first applications of this process were in the manufacture of tires, actually. But it quickly caught on and eventually became popular in America in the mid-80s when the American Society for Quality Control published a paper on the topic. QFD was presented as part of this overall quality control strategy and is shown in what's called the House of Quality that you can see here. So on the left is where we would list the customer needs and rank them according to relative importance. And on the top, you'll see a list is where you will list the metrics used to measure the needs. On the bottom is where you'll list the target and final specifications for each metric. And on the right-hand side, there's a space to compare how well your needs match up to the competitors. So the process here is very similar to what we've been discussing, except that our approach really focuses more on capturing the voice of the customer and translating that voice into needs. Anyway, it's important to understand the history and some of the background of the approach that we're using. It's honestly been done for decades now, and it's not a totally new concept. Certainly in other industries and other applications, QFD has been used quite extensively to help ensure product quality.